Hey everyone, Greg here from Streamline HR Solutions. It's been a while. Actually, it's been over a year since I posted my last video. And there's good reason for that. You see, I've been working on something that I'm really excited to share with you. Over the past year, I've been deep into writing my first book. It's called Transforming HR, A Journey Through HRIS Implementation. And I'm thrilled to announce that it's launching on August 7th. This book is a culmination of my 30-plus years of experience in human resources, especially focusing on the ins and outs of implementing HR information systems. Now, whether you're an HR professional, a manager, or someone interested in the intricacies of HR technology, this book is for you. So I want to invite you to check it out. You can order a copy on Amazon, either the soft cover or an ebook, whichever you prefer. The link will be in the description below. And don't worry, I'll be back soon with more videos diving into the latest in HR and Workday insights. So stay tuned.